So I received an email, or rather a notification, to say that my credit score was increased today, and I should click to find out what happened. Yay! I was so excited because for the past few months I've been working on my credit score, deliberately working on it, to make sure that I'm able to monitor it, to make sure that I build that trust with UK agencies, really, so that whenever I want to get money, from anything or for anything, whenever I want to get money from any organization for any particular thing, say to build a house, to buy a house, to buy a car, anything at all, I have that trust already there, that they have confidence in me that I can pay back. And this is what credit scoring is all about in the UK. If you're new to the UK, you've just come to the country, it is very, very important that you open a credit score account, like with any of the agencies. We have three major agencies that monitor or regulate credit score in the UK. We have the Experian, we have the Equifax, and we have TransUnion, which is also known as Credit Karma. You can see them as any of those two names online, and it's very easy registering this, really. But before we talk about how to register it, let's talk about why it is important. So when you come to the country newly and you don't open a credit score account, Jesus Christ, you're going to spend and spend without even thinking of how you're spending it affecting your future, because you're spending, and it's not just about the spending, really. It's about when it comes to the time where you have to take a credit card. For instance, you take a credit card because you feel I want to have more money in my hand, but then you're using that credit card irresponsibly. This is what the credit score or credit agencies are there for. They're there to help you, monitor your spending, tell you if you're spending too much, if it's affecting your credit score, if you're paying back on time, if you're building their trust and all that. They update you regularly. They are like your servant. Okay, all you just have to do is to register the account with them, and it's very easy for you to be able to do this. You go online. If you want to register with Experian, which is the widely known one, you can do that. I registered with the three of them, so it's not bad if you register with the three of them. They have different scoring system. In a case where Experian will tell you have 500 as your credit score, Equifax might tell you have 700, TransUnion might tell you have 400. Like, they have different grades. They will tell you 400 over 700, 500 over 1000, 600 over this thing. They have an overall, like, you understand what I mean, their overall grading system. So the fact that the numbers are different on each of them does not mean that your credit score is different. It's the same, it's just that they weigh it differently. Just the same way gram is weightier than kilogram, something like that. So if it's some number that is higher, you know that the overall weight is usually, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying now. So 1 kilogram is 1000 gram. So when they are weighing your score in kilogram, they'll tell you have 1 over 1000. That's 1 kilogram of score. That's one agency, and another agency will tell you have 1000 gram over 1000. You understand? So you're like, okay, this one is lower than 1000, but it's different grading system. I'm sure you must have understood what I'm talking about. This is how they operate. They have different scoring systems, so you can register with one, with two, or with the three of them. It's free of charge to register. You don't have to pay any money, but it's going to help you in the long run, because what they do is they monitor your accounts. When you register, you automatically give them that opportunity, that permission to be able to regulate your account, monitor your account. So if, for instance, you want to borrow money at any point, or you want to do something, you want to buy something on credit, using anything like a Klarna or anything at all, to buy something online, those people will quickly run a soft check on your account to see if you have a good paying back history, if you have a good credit score. If you don't have it, they will not give you. If you have it, they will automatically give you. This is what builds that trust, so that when one time come and you say you want to get a mortgage, a house mortgage or anything, it's easy for you to do it. So this is why credit scoring is important. Like I said, we have those three systems, so you can use in either of them, the Experian, the Equifax, or the TransUnion. Let me know in the comment section if you're struggling with any of those things. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section. And again, I would repeat, as a new immigrant in the UK, it is very important for you to have a credit score, a credit score account, set up for yourself, because it will help you in the long run. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I love you. My name remains Joy Lunachi. Bye.